into another cup until na mahulot ang straw. And then when you're done, transferring the straw, you need to dance. And then when you're done dancing, you're gonna go to your partner and appear. Okay. I think the guest na to nila ato ang games. Okay? So everyone. Okay, everyone. Mag ready na lahat? Very good. Mag ready na in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, go, 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 Ate Kera. Go, get your straw. Okay, yan. Okay. Go, go! Sige, go! Yan, very good. Go! Sige, nag-go ka sa pinabato na ko. Go! Faster! Dito na siya sa pikas. Ate Kera, mag-pisod ko. Dito na sa pikas ay masuhol. Go, Kera! Go! Alright, go, Ate Summer! Go, faster! Summer! Okay, go! Very good! Yes, very good. Go, go! Yes! Okay. Alright, very good, Summer. Okay, okay. Ibalik, palaw natin ka. Sige, Trisha na po. Trisha. Okay, Trisha. Okay, go, Trisha. Alright, very good, Trisha. Go, faster. Alright, congratulations. Dahil kamay naman mo, kamutanan ang winner. Okay, sa ating design, can you please give that the toy na lang? Tinagtuhan na lang. Ay, tinagtulo na lang. Tulo na lang sila. Okay, congratulations. So, our third game sa mga bata, sa itong gagmay, itong makalakaw, ang buhaton, tulungan na sila na buong no. Maghatag nila ang balon, at diri ang father, tawagon nila. Kung kinsay una, makatuhol sa Papa or isa itong tawagon is motto winner. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, asa itong gagmay na mga kids? Kato siya? Palihog ko.